We begin with a new tropical system threatening parts of the Gulf Coast. Our Storm Team 8 Chief Meteorologist Steve Jervey joining us early with the details. Steve.
Well, Keith, certainly this storm has not really changed a lot here since 5 p.m. In fact, it's still a tropical depression, but still forecast to become Tropical Storm Nate here in the next day, although it will be interacting with land areas. So 35-mile-per-hour winds. The storm continues to hold at that strength, and as you kind of zoom in, you can see there just east of Nicaragua is where that center of circulation is located. Again, land interaction tends to slow the strengthening of the system itself. Now, the forecast track, you can see the tropical storm warnings are obviously in place for those areas of Central America, then headed toward or close to the Yucatan Peninsula sometime later on Friday as a tropical storm. That's at hurricane strength Saturday evening with 80-mile-per-hour winds. Notice the Bay areas outside of the cone of error. In fact, the track has shifted farther west with the computer model trend. So this is a little bit farther away from the Tampa Bay area than it was at 5 p.m. today, and eventually moving up into sections of the southeast. So it's better news for us. We want to see this thing stay weak because it's going to affect someone on the Gulf Coast. Guys, back to you.
All right, thank you, Steve. We'll get your full forecast in just a moment. And a reminder, you can track the weather anytime by using our Storm Team 8 Weather Max app. It is free to download in the App Store.